All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have another vehicle here. This is going to be from UDIRC. It is going to be a 16th scale four-wheel drive truck. Now, they're claiming 22 miles per hour out the box, and then with upgrades on a 2S LiPo, it'll do 31, and then with a 3S LiPo, it'll do 56 miles per hour. So now, y'all, let me interject real quick. To get those speeds on 2S, you will have to do this upgrade kit. It costs you about 70 bucks for this one. And then for 3S, you'll have to do this upgrade kit, and it's going to cost you $109. So just wanted to let you know, as you see this video, I start talking about that. The manufacturer said that's what needs to be done to achieve those speeds. I'll put a link below in the description. At the time of this video, if I get this up quick enough, you can get a pretty good discount on Amazon with this vehicle. So let me go ahead. Let's get this unboxed and let's see what we have inside. All right, so pulling this out the box. You gotta love the smell of a new RC car. I don't care what size it is. Just having a new vehicle and stuff always puts a Kool-Aid smile on my face and makes me feel like Christmas, especially since the weather's getting a little bit cooler outside and everything. So with this, it's pretty cool. They give you a little checkered flag with this as well. So that's actually pretty cool. I can use this in one of my events that I'll be doing towards the winter. But anyway, looking at this vehicle real quick, you guys see here, you do have a clipless body with it. So that is good. And then inside here is going to be all of your goodies. All right, and real quick, before we look at the truck, so you do get two batteries with this. This is going to be one of them, and then one of them is installed inside the vehicle. You do get a USB charger with this as well. This is going to be functionality for hooking up lights and stuff to the vehicle. So I'll see how complicated this is. If I can do it in the next few minutes, I'll go ahead and put these on. If not, we'll see it in the later video. And then what I love that they did is they're giving you extra parts. You guys see here, extra A-arms front and rear. They give you some zip ties. Oh shoot, they even give you a CVA, CVDs and stuff with this too, an extra set. These are plastic, but that should be good, especially if you're gonna run this on 3S. It's good they're giving you that. And then they give you some tools to work on the vehicle. And they give you a body clip and center, and I don't know what that's going to be used for, but that's going to be what they give you extra stuff with that. I love it that they do that. Looking at the radio real quick, basic 2.4 gigahertz radio. This is small enough to fit into adult hand, and they even have it to where if you're going to do one hand driving, if you're able to do that, you can drive with one hand and get that going like that if you're skilled enough. And it does have, it says 4 channels on there, so that's pretty cool. Probably be able to use that for some of the light functionality and stuff. And then you got your basic trims underneath there. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this truck. All right, guys, and here you go, looking at the RageShark. So it seems to be set up pretty good. I mean, it does have, you guys hear that there are oil-filled shocks and stuff in it. Now, the tires don't have any foam in it, but I think it should be fine as far as running a stock out the box. And then when you upgrade it and run the 50 plus miles per hour, that'll be pretty interesting to see how these tires are, but I think it should be fine. Does have a wheelie bar and stuff on the back of this as well, and this has a clipless body, so basically flip the net back, pull this up, and voila, body should come right off. Trying to wiggle it out without just yanking it up with one hand. There we go. I was trying not to yank it because I didn't know if this wire was attached to anything, maybe some lights on the inside of this. But you also have, you guys see there are some figurines inside, so that's actually pretty cool that they put that into this detail of this, especially at this price point for that. I don't think you can beat that price as well. So it's gonna come, like I said, 2 batteries. One's installed inside, but I went ahead and put one in the charger while I'm taking a close look at this. So it doesn't have like adjustable turnbuckle and stuff, but I don't think you should expect that at this price. And this is gonna be a 16 scale. But these shocks are actually pretty large for here. And they are a plastic body, but they are adjustable, so no have to worry about no spacers or anything. And I love it when the manufacturers do that. And this is where you're going to put those lights in if you're going to install those light stuff. And I probably won't do it on this video with that. And then turning this over, you guys see the 2-in-1 speed controller. That's going to be the receiver and the speed controller all in one. When you plug those lights, I'm pretty sure you probably hook all that up in there with that. So let me go ahead, let me finish getting this battery charged up, and let's take this out for a quick run. All right, just so you guys know, when I first started running in this, it was actually in low gear or low speed rating. There's actually 3 speeds on here. It's a channel 4 where you regulate that speed on, and then the remaining part of the video, you'll see me actually switch that and get a lot more speed on. So just want to let you know, as you watch this the first minute or two, that's why it's going a little bit slower than I anticipated. But once you go to that higher speed, you get the 20 plus miles per hour. All right, y'all, out here with the first run of this. Full speed. I did not put the lights on here. So I will put links below in the description. You guys can check that out. I am curious of some of the speeds claimed with some of the upgrades, so we'll have to see kind of what they're doing with that and what they're talking about with that. So when I find out more information, I'll definitely either put it in the description or update you guys at some point in time with it, unless I find out something at the time of after filming this video. It's definitely jumping good. It could definitely use that power boost though. I'm just scared to plug a 3S up to it and burn the speed controller up, at least before I take it out for this test run. Look at that. 56 miles per hour with something like this is gonna be crazy. All right, let's check the distance of this. Yeah. Didn't expect it to lose frequency or anything like that, or lose control. So it's not doing bad at all. I'm just curious about some of the upgrades or updates they're saying you can do to it to get higher performance on it. I didn't put these lights on here. Oh, there it is. It's got a little bit more speed. Okay. So I hit channel 4 up here. Oh, that woke it up. There's a 20-something miles per hour we're talking about. Okay. So you go to channel 4 on the radio, and that's kind of a speed button. They should probably label that speed and not just the channel, because it starts off with the slower speeds. Because I was like, I'm gonna have to test this, because that definitely is not 22 miles per hour. There we go. That's a lot better. That's the speed we were looking at and looking for. I knew I was gonna do that, trying to be cool. Yeah, I'm so happy now. I'm a little bit happier. Yeah, that's the acceleration we wanted there, going there with that. Still couldn't imagine this thing going 56 miles per hour. That would be absolutely crazy. Almost ran into myself trying to get down and get close to it. That's a lot better speed. See if we can get this big jump in. Actually trying to hit this at an angle and it's not. So much better. All right, we're gonna get one good jump in. Let me move this ramp so that it's more straight and center. There we go. I want to get one good long run. And I still missed it. Yeah, we're gonna get this one jump in. I think we are. There we go. All right, y'all, this gonna be a run of this. It's actually pretty cool. I'm glad they got a clipless body and stuff on it. So there's gonna be a link below in the description of course, to go over there and check this out. I like it. It's got a clipless body, and I did not put the lights on, and it comes with a couple extra decals you can put on there, but I didn't bother with that at all. I wanted to get this out and get it running and show it to you guys. So don't forget, it has got this 4th channel there. It's when you get out the box, it's all the way over on, I guess, mode 1. So just switch it over to that higher mode there, and then you got your 22+ miles per hour with that. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below with the like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.